So I've got this old BSA Bantam carb made by Amal, Birmingham, England. Amal, bit antique. It's got a valve there by the looks of it. Throttle. I don't want to move. Whether that's jammed in there, or whether the needle just goes through that, God knows. Got some more valves and that around the outside. I don't want to be messing with them too much. This looks like the inlet. I don't know what that is. Looks like some sort of prime or something, but I don't know. Someone's been in here already. Oh wow. Brass valve, brass float valve, and well, it just looks like a standard off any carb, that does. It's a bit of a medieval setup that way, but I forgot which way that comes on there, so I'd imagine that way. Looks about right. Don't know what that is, but I'll find out. I'll do some research. But anyway, there ain't a lot to them. Let's give it a clean out, a rebuild, do some study on it. Looks like this is the main valve. The Ain't got no sizes on it, but it might have, can't see them. So it's like any modern carb, but really early design. Interesting though. I'll put it back together. Made in Birmingham many years ago.